can log in into your Shopee account. So for those people who do not know what Shopee is, then Shopee is like an online shopping platform where you guys can buy stuffs, alright? So that's the basic definition of it. So let me tell you guys how you guys can log in. So first step is you want to go to your search engine, search for Shopee login. After you search for Shopee login, you want to click on where it says Shopee, leading online shopping platform in Southeast Asia. You want to click on it and it's going to take you to Shopee's official website. And once you're over here, you want to choose which country you're from. So let's say I'm from Philippines. I click on Philippines. It's going to take me to Shopee Philippines. Once I'm over here, I need to log in into my account. So I'm going to click on login over here. After I click on login, it's asking me to enter my phone number or username or email. You want to enter whichever thing you used when you created your Shopee account and the password of your account. After entering that, you want to click on login, and if your information you entered over here is correct, you should be able to log in into your Shopee account. And there's also this forget password button, so if you forget your password, you can click on it to recover your Shopee account as well. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can log in into your Shopee account. And if you guys used your, Facebook, Google, or Apple ID and you wanted this to create your Shopee account, then you guys need to select one of these options, whichever you use to create your Shopee account. After clicking on it, it's going to ask you to enter its information. If you use your Facebook, it's going to ask you to enter your Facebook ID. For Google, your Google account. For Apple, your Apple ID. So after entering that, you should be able to log in into your Shopee account.